This winter weather outlook recorded on Thursday, December 5th is for much of upper Michigan and will cover Friday into this weekend and into early next week. We have a couple different hazards we want to point out in this outlook, the first of which is lake effect snow, which will affect areas mainly along the Keweenaw Peninsula and right along Lake Superior east of Grand Marais. Moderate snowfall amounts and blowing snow are possible on a daily basis through Saturday night, with additional snowfall expected Monday into the middle of next week. The second hazard we want to point out is bitterly cold temperatures and wind chills, which will be coldest over the interior west half of upper Michigan. Now let's look at lake effect snow. West winds across Lake Superior will drive lake effect snow through Saturday night, primarily over the Keweenaw Peninsula and right along Lake Superior east of Grand Marais. The highest accumulations of 1 to 2 feet through Saturday night are expected over the higher terrain of the Keweenaw Peninsula. Additional hazards from the snow will come from strong winds that will lead to blowing and drifting of snow, creating additional travel hazards during this time. Additional snow is expected Monday into the middle of next week, with a similar wind direction, maybe a little more from the northwest, that will focus a little more snow more towards Munising and more over the eastern UP as well. Now let's look at the bitterly cold conditions expected through this weekend and again on Monday night into the middle of next week. You can see in this map graphic high temperatures for Friday and Saturday in the single digits over the interior west half of upper Michigan and in the teens elsewhere. Focusing on the wind chill, this is a map of the typical daytime wind chills for Friday and Saturday. That will be also representative of wind chills that may be even colder into the middle of next week. You can see wind chills below zero across all the UP and even down as low as -20 along the Wisconsin border. And at night there will be periods of even colder wind chills, possibly even down to -30. This concludes your winter weather outlook from the National Weather Service in Marquette. For additional information or questions, see the resources below.